So I'm Andy Spolar, managing partner of AWA Reps. I oversee the AV division of our company. AWA Reps is a manufacturer's rep firm. We operate in 3 divisions. We have a security, hardware, and audio-video division. And you're here today at our AWA showroom. Currently you're standing in our Dolby Atmos theater room that we have on display that's powered by AV Pro Edge.
Typically, rep firms work mostly out of their house, their home offices, and it's something that Andy and myself kind of work together and are very proud of to have established, to have a place to showcase our partnered products. And it lends itself to, hey, you come here and we could be talking about an opportunity with brand X, but oh, by the way, have you seen the new MXNet product offerings?
We wanted to keep it simple for our dealers and our distribution partners. So here in Elmhurst, Illinois, we are right in the middle of what we call distribution row. We have several of our larger distributors within 15 minutes from here. We're conveniently located 20 minutes south of O'Hare International Airport. So commuting to and from us is very simple. So while we have the feet on the street to support our outlaying markets, we also have the advantage of having a dedicated showroom where we can invite dealers and vendors to come check out the latest of what we're offering and how we operate.
As you flow through our showroom, we have opportunities with our security lines that cover cameras, locks, access control, and we can go through our built-in theater room. We can go to the video wall display, the mosaic display, our landscape design, our outdoor lighting. We have a setup within our conference room where we invite people in to sit down to do one-on-one or group trainings.
So we took a careful time in designing and outlaying what was the best way to utilize the space to showcase the most product. So now we have MXNet technology operating the main showroom where we can show dealers the ease of video distribution, video switching all over utilizing AV over IP. And we utilized our other audio partners to provide a Dolby Atmos theater experience. So it's little intricacies like that that we're able to showcase based off how we designed the showroom in itself. And that goes towards all our other vendor partners as well.
With AV Pro, it's probably one of the best partnerships that we've had in working together, from marketing to sales to technical training to assistance in the field to factory support. And it's a big value add when getting that support, because ultimately it helps us all grow the business collectively together.
So we're fully interactive. We can show dealers how to program, how to integrate, and keep them up to date with the latest technologies by having everything on display here at our showroom.